Hey everyone, ready to supercharge your income? Imagine making up to $172 daily with cutting-edge AI. These four tools are game changers for anyone looking to earn easily online, with the fourth tool the highest paying AI tool. The best part? You can use all these AI tools for free and earn up to $172 per day.
And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay,
per day. First, Pictory AI. Transform text into engaging videos in minutes. Create compelling social media content or YouTube shorts for clients and earn big. Next, Leonardo AI. Generate stunning images from simple prompts. Sell unique AI art, design custom graphics, or create eye-catching marketing materials for businesses and freelancing. Then Google's Nano Banana. Leverage its power for rapid data analysis or quick content generation. Offer concise market reports or automated content snippets to businesses needing fast insights. Used to generate high-quality images that can be sold online, used for designs, marketing visuals, and many more creative projects. Finally, ChatGPT, your ultimate AI assistant. Write captivating articles, craft persuasive ad copy, or even develop simple code. Offer your services as a freelance writer or content creator. Start earning today.